EVS class. In last session, we have started the 8th number lesson from EVS 1, that is composition of air. Alright? In that lesson, we have learned about the contents of the air. Okay? Do you remember what is meant by air? Or what is air? Yes, very good. Air is nothing but the mixture of different gases, water vapor and some dust. Okay? In air, there are different gases present. Also water vapors and dirt are present. Okay? The nitrogen, oxygen are present in the large amount and the carbon dioxide and other gases are present in the small amount. Okay students? So in today's class, we are going to learn more about this air. Okay? And so here some new words are given. We'll see one by one that words. You have to write down that words in your notebook. The first word is mask. M-A-S-K, mask. Then firecrackers. F-I-R-E, fire. C-R-A-C-K-E-R-S, firecrackers. Then chemicals. C-H-E-M-I-C-A-L-S, chemicals. Then we have the word carbon dioxide. C-A-R-B-O-N-D-I-O-X-I-D-E, carbon dioxide. Then nitrogen. N-I-T-R-O-G-E-N, nitrogen. Then water vapor. W-A-T-E-R, water. V-A-P-O-U-R, vapor. Water vapor. Then dust. D-U-S-T, dust. Next word is air pollution. A-I-R-P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N, air pollution. Then here next word is pollute. P-U-L-L-U-T-E, pollute. And the last word is pollutants. P-O-L-L-U-T-A-N-T-S, pollutants. Here are the new words. In the last session we have learned about these words. Here new words, some mask, firecrackers, chemicals. Okay students? So my dear students, as we have done in the last session, can you tell me what is meant by air pollution? Yes, very good. We'll see meaning of air pollution. The presence of smoke, dust or such harmful substances. As we all know that air contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapors and some dust. Okay? But when the smoke and the dust particle, if they increase or such harmful substances they increase in the air, it is known as air pollution. Okay? What is meant by air pollution? Air pollution means the presence of smoke, dust or such harmful things, harmful substances in the air. It shows us the air pollution. As we all know that human beings, animals and living things, they are all need air to live. We know that human beings and animals, they inhale fresh air or they inhale oxygen. Okay? And they exhale or they give out carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide absorbed by the plants, absorbed by the trees. They make their own food with the help of that carbon dioxide which is released by animals and human beings. Then after, during this process, plants gives us oxygen. Okay? And we have also learned what happens if we cut unnecessarily the trees. What will happen? Yes, the amount of carbon dioxide will increase in the atmosphere. Okay? And the balance will disturb. Okay? And so here, as we know that air pollution caused due to the increase in carbon dioxide took place. Okay. So here that we know that pollutants are the substances which cause air pollution. Okay, or which pollute the air. What are these pollutants? Pollutants are the nothing but the substances which pollute the air or which causes the air pollution. So here firewood, kerosene lamp, stoves, then vehicles and factories. These are the some pollutants. Due to these things, pollution or air pollution is happening or increasing day by day. As we all know that the fresh air. What is fresh air? Can anyone tell me? Yes, very good. Fresh air means the air with no smell and no color. Okay. What is fresh air? Fresh air means the air with no color and no smell. Now, when any color or bad smell of air, it shows air pollution. How can we say that the air is polluted? Or here we have large amount of air pollution. When we can say that? Yes, if we can see any color or any bad smell of the air. These things shows us the air is polluted. Okay. So these things that shows us air pollution. Now my dear students, can anyone tell me what happens due to the air pollution? Why we are talking about this air pollution? Yes? Very good. This unhealthy air. Okay. This air pollution or this air which is polluted is unhealthy for all the living things. Okay. So here that air is unhealthy. This air pollution makes the air unhealthy. It may damage our lungs and eyes. Okay. This unhealthy air may damage our lungs and eyes. We may have some breathing disorders or breathing diseases due to breathe this polluted air. Okay students? So what we have discussed here? The causes of air pollution such as burning firewood, then kerosene lamps, vehicles and factories. They throw out smoke. These vehicles, they also throw out the dust particles which are present on the ground. Okay. So this lead to air pollution. And this air pollution is too much unhealthy. It may also affect our lungs and eyes. Alright. If we breathe such unhealthy air, then what will happen? Yes, we may feel tired and sick. Okay. What will happen? We may feel tired and sick. So this unhealthy air, it damages our lungs and eyes. We may have some breathing diseases also, and it also lead to feel us tired and sick. Alright students. So is it good thing to breathe such air? No. If we are saying that this air is unhealthy, it damages our lungs and eyes. We may have different diseases due to polluted air. So we should stop the pollution of air. Okay. So here we have some ways to keep our air clean. So we will discuss about some ways to keep our air clean. Alright. So the very first point is plant trees. We have to plant more and more trees. Why? As we all know that the plants, they absorb carbon dioxide from the air. These all things, firewood, kerosene lamp, vehicles, factories, they release harmful gases and also carbon dioxide. So these trees, they make our air fresh. Okay, they intake carbon dioxide. What trees do? They absorb carbon dioxide and gives us fresh air. Okay. So we have to plant more and more trees. Alright. Why do we have to plant more and more trees? Because these plants, these trees, they absorb carbon dioxide and they give us fresh air or oxygen which we need to breathe. Okay. So we have to plant more and more trees. Okay. The next point is use smoke-free lamps and stoves. We can use different solar lamps which are smoke-free. We can use solar cookers, okay, which are also smoke-free. Instead, these stoves, lamps which throw out more smoke. We have to stop using such lamps, such as kerosene lamps. We have to stop using such lamps, okay, and instead we can use smoke-free lamps such as solar lamps. Okay, what we can use? We can use solar lamps and stoves. Okay, that solar lamps and stoves are smoke-free. Alright, they do not release any harmful gases. Okay. The next point is stop burning garbage. If anyone in your surrounding, they burn garbage, you have to stop them. Do you know why? Yes, very good. As we all know that we are using plastics. So, that plastic, when we burn the garbage, the plastic present in the garbage, it also burns. Okay, and it releases harmful gases in the air, which make our air polluted. Okay, which pollute our air in large amount. So we have to stop burning garbage. Alright, good. Then next point is use well-maintained vehicles. So nowadays we are having vehicles which we can use CNG. Okay, that is compressed natural gas. So these vehicles do not leave or do not release carbon dioxide. Okay. So we have to use such well-maintained vehicles. Alright students, what things are that we can do to stop or to clean our air? Yes, that are plant trees, use smoke-free stoves and lamps, then stop burning garbage and also use well-maintained vehicles. Alright? Good. So you have to write all these things in your note. Now my dear students, we will discuss one important point, that is firecrackers. Okay? What is that point? That point is firecrackers. Do you know what are the firecrackers? Yes, very good. You all burst this firecracker during the festivals or during special celebrations, okay, or special occasions. And so these firecrackers, they are made of different chemicals. Okay, what material is used? These are made of different chemicals. Okay. So what happens when you use these firecrackers? What happens when you use these firecrackers? Yes, they are made of different chemicals. So they burn easily. Okay, and these chemicals, they release harmful gases. Okay, what do they release? They release harmful gases which cause different diseases. Okay, so we have to stop. We have to say no to burn these firecrackers. Okay, and I want to tell you one more thing, that when these firecrackers they made in a factory, as we all know that we use different chemicals to make these firecrackers. So the people who make these firecrackers in the factories, they have skin diseases, they have lung diseases, and many children are also forced to work in these factories, okay, which is not good. So you have to avoid firecrackers and you have to say no to these firecrackers, okay. By saying no to the firecrackers, you can help your society in many ways. You can help to clean the air and you may save some lives also, okay students. So what things you have to do? You have to plant trees, use smoke-free lamps and stoves, then stop burning garbage, use well-maintained vehicles, and also say no to firecrackers. Okay? Good. So in today's class, we have learned about the air pollution, their pollutants, then what are the effects of air pollution on our body, then different ways to keep our air clean. Okay students, we'll see next point in the next session. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask. Till that time, thank you.